Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can limit who can see your past posts on Facebook. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Facebook, click on the three lines on the top right hand side, then you can click on the settings cog on the top right again. Once you're on here, just scroll down until you come to audience and visibility, and you should see posts underneath. So you want to click on that. Then it should say limit who can see your past posts. So you just select view. And it'll just let you know if you choose to limit your past posts, posts on your timeline that you've shared with friends of friends and public posts will only be shared with friends. Anyone tagged in these posts and their friends may also still see these posts. If you want to change who can see a specific post, you can go to that post and choose a different audience. So if you're happy with that, just select limit past posts. And obviously it'll let you know underneath you're about to limit past posts on your timeline. The only way to undo this will be to change the audience of each post one at a time. So if you're okay with all of that, just select limit past posts. And that will limit posts for you that you've posted in the past. Thanks for watching.